In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Calendly link so people can easily schedule time with you without all the back and forth emails. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll have a shareable link ready to send to clients, co-workers, or anyone who needs to book a meeting with you. First, start on your Calendly dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the button that says Create, usually marked with a plus sign. Go ahead and click the Create button. This is where you'll set up a brand new event that people can book with you. After you click Create, a small menu will appear with different options. From that menu, click on Event Type. Event types are the different kinds of meetings you offer, such as one-on-one calls, team sessions, or group events. Choosing Event Type tells Calendly you're setting up a new kind of meeting that people can schedule. Next, you'll see several format choices for your event. Today, we'll keep it simple. Click on one-on-one, or if you already know you prefer a different format like a group session, you can choose your preferred meeting style instead. A one-on-one event is perfect for things like client calls, interviews, coaching sessions, or quick check-ins because it's designed for you and one other person. Once you've selected your meeting style, it's time to name your event. In the event name field, type the name of your event. Make it clear and descriptive so people know exactly what they're booking, like introductory call, project check-in, or consultation meeting. When you're happy with the name, click Continue to move on. This will take you into the main setup area for your event. Now you'll choose how long this meeting will last. Look for the duration option and click it. Here you can set the length of the meeting, such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Think about what you realistically need for this type of conversation so you're not rushed, but also not blocking off more time than necessary. After selecting the duration that works for you, confirm your choice so Calendly knows how long to reserve on your calendar for each booking. Next, you'll set when people are allowed to book this event. Click on Schedule Settings. This is where you pick your available days and hours. For example, you might allow bookings only on weekdays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. or just specific days like Tuesdays and Thursdays. Take a moment to match this with your real availability and any other commitments you already have. Setting this up carefully helps avoid conflicts and last-minute surprises. When your schedule and settings look right, click Save and Close. This saves everything you've just configured and brings you back to your main Calendly view, where your new event will now appear as a card. Finally, to share your new Calendly event with others, find the event card you just created and click the Copy Link button. This copies the unique scheduling URL to your clipboard. You can now paste that link into an email, a message, your website, or even your social profile so people can book time with you directly. And that's it. You've created a Calendly link that makes scheduling simple and automatic so you can focus on the meeting itself instead of coordinating times.